Hello friends, yesterday we have completed the lesson The Thief and the poem Daffodils, and I also sent a PDF questions on the lesson The Thief and the poem Daffodils. मी अगोदर एक लेसन आणि एक पोएमचे तुम्हाला PDF पाठवलेले आहेत. त्यामध्ये क्वेश्चन्स आहेत, उत्तरासहित प्रश्न आहेत. ते तुम्हाला अभ्यासासाठी आहेत. ते लिहून आणण्याची गरज नाही. पहिली टेस्ट ऑनलाईन आहे माझी, ती तुम्ही सोडवली असेलच. आणि आता हा नवीन लेसन सुरू करणार आहे. आज हा लेसन संपल्यानंतर पुन्हा एक दुसरी टेस्ट आपल्याला घ्यायची आहे. ते सुद्धा ऑनलाईन राहील आणि त्यानंतर असाइनमेंट राहतील. तर ते असाइनमेंट एकाच वहीत दोन्ही असाइनमेंट लिहून आणायचे आहे. ते असाइनमेंट मी तुम्हाला जेव्हा देईल तेव्हा पुन्हा इन्स्ट्रक्शन देईल. नाऊ टुडे वी स्टार्ट अ लेसन Personalities Ramchandra Rao and Lakshman Rao Kirloskar. Kirloskar Brothers Limited is India's largest pump manufacturer. In 2011, the revenue the company generated exceeded $600 million, but the company had a very humble beginning. When it was founded in 1888 by two brothers Ramchandra Rao and Lakshman Rao Kirloskar. Ramchandra Rao and Lakshman Rao Kirloskar started a Kirloskar Brothers in India. The company initially was a trading company in Belgaum, India, run by Ramchandra Rao Kirloskar. At the starting point, the company was a trading company and it was run by only Ramchandra Rao Kirloskar. His brother Lakshman Rao was in Bombay at the time, teaching for a living at Victoria Jubilee Technical Institute. And at the same time, Lakshman Rao teaching for a living at Victoria Jubilee Technical Institute. Lakshman Rao believed he had earned a promotion, but when the British authorities in the university decided to favor British teachers over Indian teachers, Lakshman Rao quit. Lakshman Rao believed that he got a promotion, but the British authorities denied the promotion to Indian teachers like Lakshman Rao. He was upset by the way he had been treated and travelled from Bombay to Belgaum. And then he was upset by hearing such decision of the government, and he travelled from Bombay to Belgaum. Reunited with his brothers, the two discussed their future plans, and Ramchandra Rao recognized his brother's skill and expertise when it came to technology. And then two brothers reunited and discussed with their future plans. Ramchandra Rao also know the brilliancy of his brother Lakshman Rao Kirloskar. Lakshman Rao understood technology and he also had the gift of staying ahead of the curve when it came to market trends. Lakshman Rao began handling the business aspects of the company, changing the focus from selling to manufacturing, and Lakshman Rao began to handle the business aspect, and he had changed his views and focused from selling to manufacturing. And so the industry swung from trading to manufacturing pump, they set up a shop that sold bicycle pumps. Initially, they established their shop to sold the bicycle pumps. Lakshman Rao had his finger on the pulse of the market. He knew what farmers required, and this was a major advantage considering the society was predominantly agrarian. And Lakshman Rao know the pulse of the market means the नाडी मार्केटची नाडी काय आहे हे ते लक्ष्मणराव ओळखून होते अँड ही न्यू व्हॉट फार्मर्स रिक्वायर्ड and what was the major advantage considering the society was predominantly agrarian. 14 years after it had been set up, Kirloskar Brothers Limited came out with a hand-powered chop cutter. Their first product related to agriculture was a success and delighted by the demand and the popularity of the product. The brothers dived into the business with confidence. The brothers dived into the business with very confidently, and the first product related to the agriculture was in a very succeed manner. Their next product came out 3 years later in 1995. It was an iron plug that was the first of its kind. Initially, the iron plug did not sell well. Farmers were comfortable with the wooden plows they already had and saw no reason why they should spend money on something that they believed would not help them. And the second product of the company, Kirloskar Brothers, was iron plow. But the farmers are unable to buy the iron plow because they already had a wooden plow and they were comfortable for the wooden plows. However, over time, farmers came to appreciate the iron plow. It was sturdier, more robust, and more reliable than the wooden plow. Back then, the iron plow was cutting-edge technology, and for many farmers was a device that could potentially change their fortunes. And the many farmers had a liable to choose the iron plow because the iron plow was cutting edge technology, and for many farmers was a device that could potentially change their fortunes. Unfortunately, just as the farmers were beginning to appreciate the iron plow and demand for the product was beginning to rise, the Belgium municipality ordered the brothers to vacate their premises. Unfortunately, just as the farmers were beginning to appreciate the iron plow, and for a long time, when the iron plow consisted the cutting edge technology, when the farmers know the technology, then they prefer to iron plow, and at the same time, when the farmers were beginning to appreciate the iron plow, at the same time, the Belgium municipality ordered the Kirloskar brothers to vacate their premises, means to empty their premises, because in that the Kirloskar brothers shop situated in the authority of Belgium municipality. The space was going to be used to create a new Belgium suburb. It was a government initiative, thankfully due to contact that they had made as a result of their product success. The brothers were invited to Maharashtra to start afresh, and by seeing the result of iron flow and the space that was, the Belgium municipality ordered the brothers to vacate. That was created a new Belgium suburb. And also the demand increases of the iron flow, and from the Maharashtra the brothers were invited to start afresh. It was Balasaheb Pant Pratinidhi, the Raja of Aundh, a princely state in Maharashtra, who extended the invitation to the Kirloskar brothers, and Balasaheb Pratinidhi invited to the Kirloskar brothers to made iron flow for the Maharashtra government. He offered them land as well as a loan to continue their venture. Maharashtra government, or the Balasaheb Pant Pratinidhi, offered them land as well as loan to continue their shop in Maharashtra. The brothers gratefully accepted and relocated. What they set up over there would grow to become Kirloskarwadi, a factory that spread so far and so wide that it became a township. And then they gratefully accepted the invitation of Balasaheb and started a new factory, and the factory became a Kirloskarwadi, known as the Kirloskarwadi. And this factory that spread so far and so wide that it became like a town, and Kirloskarwadi is now the second oldest township in India, established in 1910 and now over 100 years old. And the Kirloskarwadi was the second oldest township in India, established in 1910 and now over 100 years old. It was Lakshman Rao's great foresight and vision that led to Kirloskarwadi. He had done a tremendous amount of research on industrial townships that existed in America and in Europe. And the Lakshman Rao's great foresight and vision. Lakshman Rao had a great vision, and he wanted to establish or existed the factory or industrial factory in America and in Europe. He believed it was important to strike a balance between work and community for success to be attained. And Lakshman Rao believed that the balance between the work and community for success to be attained means hard work is more important to the success. With that in mind, Kirloskarwadi was built near a train station so that it would be easy to access and would allow employees to commute easily. And Kirloskarwadi was a very safe and secure place for the employees, because there was a thereby near a train station, so that the employees are easily commute. The township expanded over time to such an extent that it now has its own infrastructure and is scenic, green, and well planned. Colleges, schools, libraries, hospitals, and other basic community facilities are all present in the Kirloskar Wadi. And in that Kirloskar Wadi, there were colleges, schools, libraries, hospitals, and all basic needs present in that township, in that town, which has its own pin code. It is a testament to Lakshman Rao's vision of manufacturing. It is the model of manufacturing company of Lakshman Rao. Now, friends, we continue the chapter tomorrow.